exciting food facts you probably didn't know. From the sweet truths hidden in your favorite desserts to the secret lives of vegetables lurking in your fridge. Prepare to have your taste buds tickled and your mind blown. So, put on your chef's hat and get ready for a culinary adventure. If you're hungry for knowledge, stick around. We've got a full menu of fun food facts coming up. Did you know that Fruit Loops, regardless of their color, all taste the same? Yes, your favorite childhood cereal has been pulling your leg. Quite the cereal offender, right? Similarly, white chocolate isn't really chocolate. It's a sweet imposter made from cocoa butter, milk solids, and sugar, not a single cocoa bean in sight. Ever wondered why popcorn pops? It's not because it's excited to see a movie. Each kernel contains a small amount of water. When heated, this water turns into steam, causing the kernel to explode into a fluffy treat. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite candy, gummy bears. These chewy critters are often coated in beeswax or carnauba wax for shine. Yes, you've been munching on waxy bears all this while. And what's the deal with the hole in the donut? It's not a design flaw, but to ensure even cooking. So next time you're reaching for a rainbow-colored treat, remember, it's all in your head. Ever thought your vegetables were a bit dull? Well, think again. Did you know that bell peppers are actually fruits, not vegetables? Yes, that's right. These colorful characters have been living a double life right under our noses. And speaking of lives, did you know that carrots were originally purple? It's true. These vibrant veggies sold their soul to the fashion industry and donned a more popular orange coat in the 17th century. But don't think that the secret stopped there. The humble potato, yes, the one you've been mashing, baking and frying, has a dark side. It's poisonous. Well, not the whole potato, just the green parts. So remember, green potatoes are a no-go. And lastly, let's talk about peas. These little green spheres aren't just vegetables, they're actually seeds. Yes, seeds. So next time you're munching on a bell pepper, remember, you're technically having a fruit salad. Moving on from veggies to the meaty stuff. Did you know that chicken contains 266% more fat now than it did 40 years ago? Quite a shocking fact, isn't it? And no, the chickens haven't just been indulging in too many late-night snacks. This is largely due to the way they're farmed and fed. Now let's chew on this for a moment. A century ago, it took about 16 weeks to raise a chicken to market weight. Today, it takes a mere 6 weeks. That's faster than it takes some of us to finish a good book. Speedy growth like this, my friends, is often accompanied by an increase in fat content. And what about red meat? Surely, our faithful beefsteak hasn't changed much over the years. Well, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but modern farming methods have also affected our beloved beef. The average steak today has more than double the amount of fat compared to 50 years ago. But don't let these meaty mysteries put you off your dinner. Remember, knowledge is power, and a well-informed foodie can make better choices about what they put on their plate. So, next time you're tucking into a chicken dinner, remember, it's not just the gravy that's adding to your waistline. Well, we've certainly served up a feast of food facts today, so let's take a moment to digest it all, shall we? We've peeled back the unexpected layers of the foodie world, from chocolate's not-so-sweet origins to the secret lives of our beloved veggies. And who could forget our juicy dive into the meaty mysteries, like finding out that bananas are berries while strawberries aren't, or that honey never spoils, like a true immortal of the food world. And let's not forget about the pink slime, the love child of meat and science fiction that's likely been in your burgers. Oh, the things we've learned, but surely we're not the only ones with surprising food trivia up our sleeves. So, what's cooking in your kitchen of knowledge? Remember, knowledge is like a good meal. It's best when shared. So don't be shy, share your own fun food facts in the comments. Until next time, stay curious and keep munching.